Hey babies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's Kimberly and today I'm coming at you with another video. Today's video is going to be part of a series of videos that I'm doing basically geared towards beginners, like whether you're a tween or a teen trying to start wearing makeup, whether you've never worn makeup but you want to start wearing makeup and you have no idea where to start, what to do, how to apply it, what to get, what to do. This video is for you. Today's video is going to be the basics. I am going to show you how to prep your face, how to prep your skin before you apply makeup. So if you want to know how to do that, stick around and let me show you. So guys, I was going to do this as a voiceover, but I decided not to because, you know, it's easier just to talk as I go. And I don't think it'll be that long because prepping your skin is not supposed to take long. Okay, no, I'm gonna try to use only drugstore products. You want to start by washing your skin with whatever skin facial wash you use. In the morning when you wake up, you want to start with clean skin. So there's nothing on your skin, okay? I already washed my skin. Everything's clean. I'm not wearing a drop of makeup. Nothing. I hope I look halfway presentable. But I should say I am wearing lip balm because I sleep with lip balm, I eat with lip balm, I live with lip balm. After you wash your face, it might feel a little dry and stuff. So obviously, you're gonna wanna moisturize. You can use expensive moisturizers. There's plenty of them out there. But for today's video, I'm keeping it simple, like I said. So I always start by moisturizing my under eye area. I've been applying an eye cream for as long as I can remember, and I like the feeling because your under eye area can sometimes be kind of dry, which is not good when you apply makeup to it because it's just gonna look all bad. So to start off, we're gonna apply our eye cream. And for this, I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift Eye Cream. And I'm only using that because I had it on hand and I've been using it daily. As you can see, it's empty. Just because I'm using it doesn't mean you should use it. Find what works for you. And also, if you're new to a lotion or a skin cream or anything, always do a little patch test on a little part of your skin, like on your arm here. Just put a little bit on there to see if, or on your cheek, you know, to see if there's an allergic reaction if you're not sure or if you have really sensitive skin. So what I do with the eye cream, I just take a little bit, I dab it underneath my eye in a circle, and the remainder I pop on top of my eye. Like that. Now, when it comes to your eyes, the skin is really sensitive, so always use your ring finger because it's the lightest finger and it'll have the lightest touch, so you don't have to like press. You never want to like pull and rub underneath your eyes just because, you know, we don't want no wrinkles. So just keep going and dab it into your eye, in the under eye area. After you dab in the eye cream, you're going to focus on your whole face. I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift moisturizer just because I had it on hand. Yes, I do use it on a regular basis. As you can see, it's used a lot. But I mix up my lotions. I use all kinds of stuff. So this is not the only thing I'm using. Find what works for you. But this is generally the order in which you want to prep your skin. So we're going to apply this all over our skin. All over. And this is waking up our skin. You know, little massages is always good for your skin. So as you can see, we're already getting a nice little glow going there. And you can also apply the cream to your skin, to your neck. Now, after I apply my moisturizer, I always religiously apply SPF I need my sunscreen because I'm originally from Holland. And in Holland, it is always very cold, rainy, windy. And then I came here to California and it's like the opposites. And it's like, oh my gosh. So even on rainy days, you want to make sure you wear that sunscreen because you got to protect your skin. If you don't protect your skin, nobody else is going to protect your skin. Yes, people. So today I'm using the Your Good Skin SPF 30 because I need to put something on my skin. I cannot go with nothing on my skin. That's not, you know, I gotta protect it. So, and we just dab that into the skin. There. Now, after I apply that, it's finally time to prime my face. Now, there's many different primers you can use. When you're first starting out, you don't want to go to the store and get that $30 primer. And no, there's no need for all that. Just go to your local drugstore and you can find really good primers. For instance, the one I'm using today is the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. You gotta love e.l.f. Who doesn't love e.l.f.? Quality, great prices. It's fabulous. So I'm using this one today, but I also wanted to show you guys these just so you know that you have options. There's the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm, and I love this balm because every time you apply it, it feels so cool on your face. It's like, oh my gosh, it instantly wakes up your face. It's fabulous. Then maybe if you have real oily skin, you want to consider the Rimmel Stay Matte Makeup Primer. This will help your skin stay matte for a longer period of time so that oil slick that you might have going won't, you know, melt off your makeup. So that's a good one. CoverGirl has a whole range of them. For instance, if you have really big pores, you can get a primer that minimizes your pores. So you put it on and your pores will be minimized. Or if you need an extra glow to your skin, if your face is just kind of dull, you can also go with the Illuminating Trublend Primer from CoverGirl. There's a whole range of them. It's really fabulous. Maybe you want to go for a dewy look. I'd say NYX has like a Honey Dew Me Up, which is really nice. Feels really nice on your skin too. So basically what I'm saying is that drugstores have plenty of options of primers, and I think all of these are under 10 bucks. So you should be able to find a primer that works with your skin. Now, I do realize everyone's skin is different, so you have to find what works for your skin. Just because I'm mentioning these brands doesn't mean you have to run out and get them. You have to find what works for you, okay? This video is not sponsored whatsoever. I'm not getting paid to say this. I'm just showing you guys, you know, hoping to teach you guys a few things. Anyway, on to the primer. So we're using the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. And it's kind of like a clear consistency, almost like translucent. And this is how I would apply my primer. I just apply it all over my skin and it feels like a veil already. It feels really soft, like silicone-y, really nice on your skin. It's like really nice. So you'll instantly know that you primed your face after you apply it. There. But for today's video, I'm using the CoverGirl Trublend Matte Mate in the shade T50. So normally what I do, I just pop it on my hand, and you can either use a sponge or a brush, and I think I'm gonna use my fingers first, and I'm just gonna dot it on my skin on top of the primer. There you go. And I'm just gonna use my blending sponge and blend it all in there. Like that. There. Okay, for concealer, I'm using the Pro Conceal Concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics, which is $4, I want to say. This is like a really great concealer, guys. I am using it daily, really, for real. And I'm using the shade Pure Beige. And for concealer, I would just apply it like this. Oops. And I'm just doing a basic application right now, just because it's about the base of the skin. There. And I would take my beauty blender. And just make sure your beauty blender is moist, guys. You don't want it dripping wet. You want it moist because it'll give a more natural finish. I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder. And this is in the transparent shade, which means it goes for all skin tones. Whenever you see a powder that says translucent, transparent, it means it fits all skin tones. So go for it. That was it for my video. I hope it was useful to you. I do have to say that the foundation part, it can be much more in-depth. So I might do a separate video on how to do all that too. This was just more about prepping your skin before you apply any makeup to your skin. So we got that down now. So this was video number 1, and I can't wait to go to the next step. So if you're excited about this, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.